In fragile democracies, there is a backdrop of the Arab Spring. I was writing it during the Arab Spring. I kept having to rewrite sections of it, trying to anticipate what would happen in the Arab Spring. And I came away with two conclusions. The first is that there is a fixation, which unfortunately has become central to American foreign policy, on holding elections. Hold them fast, hold them quick, and because once you have elections, you have democracy. And much of the book is intended to rebut that naive assumption that elections themselves is what will define a democracy. Elections are a tremendous stimulus. They are an invigorating moment. They are like a tremendous exercise. And there are exercises which, for the healthy and the vibrant, make you stronger, make you healthier. And the same exercises, when applied to the weak and the fragile, can kill them. And democracies are not only a moment of democratic selection, but they are a moment of antagonism, of the divisions of society coming forward. And you need institutions to be able to absorb that. You need the political parties, which will try to govern based upon what happens in the election. You need the maturity of the parties and other institutional actors to say, we lost today, but we can win tomorrow. And so it's not all or nothing this one time. It's not in the way that post-colonial elections were sometimes cynically described, one man, one vote, one time. There's another feature to this, a second issue, which is that we now live in a world of instant communication, which is great, which is transformative. And so there is a sense all over the world that you hold an action, an event, a rally, a sit-in, a mobilization in a way that is evocative for the media. And so we get what I refer to in the book as the Tahrir Square effect, which is you get very attractive young people wearing blue jeans and carrying iPhones who gather in front of the CNN cameras, and we look at them and we say, hey, they look just like us. We like democracy, they must like democracy. We have this app for our iPhone, they must have this app for their iPhone as well. And the difficulty is that we don't see the 95% of the rest of the country. We don't see the conservatism, we don't see the religious elements, we don't see the traditional villages, we don't see the pockets of deep resistance. And so we attribute to these gatherings, whether it's in Tahrir Square or whether it's in Bangkok or whether it's in Kiev, and we look at them and we say, that's the world that's a-borning, because that's the world that we want to see come about. And we were told that after 1989 it was all democracy all the way, and that looks like it unfolding.